Yo, what up? How's it going, friends? So today you want to learn how you can remove this search icon from your Shopify theme. By the time we're done with this video, you also will be able to remove it, and it's going to do just like this. Now let's get straight to the video. Ta-ta-ria. Now the first thing you want to do is to come here to your online store, your backend, and your dashboard. You come to your online store just like this, and you click on themes, and you want to check on craft, and you want to click on customize. Now, the moment you click on customize, it's gonna load up your craft page, okay, just like this. All right. So the only thing we want to do here is touch this search icon, and we're gonna be using 3 methods to do this. So, meaning I'm gonna give you 3 different tricks, okay, which you can use, and each one of them is working perfectly. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the first one, which is using the base method, and we're gonna come here to edit code. All right. Now, don't fidget, don't be like, oh, I don't know how to edit code and all that. No, it's fine. Okay, you can do it. And the moment you click on that, you're gonna hit on this explorer. Okay, you're gonna come here to this editor, okay, and right here you're gonna come to this place that says craft, and you click on assets, and you want to come here to base.css. And there is one thing we want to do. We want to come here to this doc file here, okay, which I'm going to give you access to it also, and you want to go ahead and copy this one that says to hide it using base, and you come back here and you want to scroll down to the last part. Okay, we're gonna scroll down to the last part of this place. Okay, and you're gonna paste the code right here at the last part of the page, and you click on save. And if we should go back, you can see that the craft search icon is no longer there. Okay, so this is exactly how you can remove it using the base.css method. But maybe you don't want to use this, maybe you don't want to use this method, and you want to use another method that will still be much more, you won't have to edit any code. Then let's go ahead and put you through on how to do that. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go here. Okay, but first let me remove this and save so that the search icon can be back. And before I even go ahead and talk about this, please try as much as possible to subscribe to this channel, okay, because I have plans to take this to at least 10,000 subscribers, and I cannot do this movement without you guys' support. So please subscribe to the channel, please, and God bless you as you do that. Now let's go ahead and click on header. Okay, so right here, this for the second method. Normally, if you're using Horizon or the other teams, you're gonna see the search icon section here, which will look like this, and you can toggle it and it will be gone. But because this is Craft's team, it's not here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on Custom CSS. Okay, as you can see, and wanna come back here, and we wanna come here, wanna scroll up to this one that says to remove using CS, and we're gonna go ahead and copy this, and we're gonna come back here. Okay. And we're going to paste. And the moment we paste it, you can see it's gone already. Okay, it's gone. So someone type it's gone in the comment section. Okay. So now it's gone. And the next thing we're going to do now is to just go ahead and hit on save, and we're good to go. All right. But maybe you don't want to work with this. Maybe you still don't want to use the custom CSS. It's fine. There is another trick that I have for you, and you still have to copy paste also, but it's also very simple. So if I should remove all this now, and the search icon is back again, I can easily just come here to the header section, okay, right here. And the next thing I want to do is to click on add section. Add section, okay. Then we click on custom liquid, and we click on custom liquid again. And right then we want to paste a code, all right, which will be here. And we want to scroll down right there to this section and say style to remove using custom liquid, okay. And we're going to copy that. I will come back here, I will paste, okay, and as you can see, the search icon is gone again. All right, so this is exactly how you can remove the search icon or the search bar from your Shopify Craft theme using these 3 methods. Okay, so if this video has been helpful and you find this very helpful, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. It encourages me to keep creating video tutorials like this for you guys, and it also helps this movement to get this channel to the next level. Thank you very much. I wish you the best of luck. And please, even if you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there who are looking for video tutorials like this. I'll see you in another video. Please take care of yourself, take care of your health as well. So as you are struggling to make money, try as much as possible to take care of yourself. It's very important. And I hope you live long and live well. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.